Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off the flash notifications. Okay, so there's actually two ways that this will work. So the first way, when you receive any incoming calls, text messages, or even if you set an alarm and the alarm sounds off, the flashlight there will then begin to flash to alert you that you are receiving an incoming call or a text message or your alarm has gone off. The second way is you can set it so that the actual display flashes. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to do this. So just pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and you're going to scroll all the way down to where it says accessibility, and then select advanced settings, and then select flash notification. And here it explains everything that I've just explained to you. So flash the camera light or the screen when you receive notifications or when alarms sound. So just turn both of these on, and you also get a little preview. So if you want to preview how the screen flash is going to look when you're receiving an incoming call, you can just preview it. So that's how the display is going to look. And also you can preview the camera flash. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and test it out. Okay, so this is very useful, guys. So let's just say you're in a meeting and you don't want any calls coming in, you don't want any interruptions. So you put the device onto silent. You can then just put the phone on its face. So now I'm just going to give myself a call just to test the flashlight to see if it goes off. Okay, so it's ringing. And as you can see, the flashlight is going off there, guys. So yeah, this is a very useful feature, guys. Like I said, you can use it if you're in a meeting, or let's just say you're watching a football game and you don't want any interruptions whatsoever. You can just enable that feature. Anyway, that's it for the video. I hope it helped you out. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Let me know if you'll be using it. Let me know all that good stuff in the comments down below. Also, subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you get notified the second I upload a video. Also, be sure to thumbs up the video and share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.